Okay, I just want to share a small doubt about what is precious stone and what is not precious stone. There is well known that there is a four precious stone. This is emerald, sapphire, ruby, and topaz. This is the fourth stone which is considered precious. What does mean actually a precious stone? This means that their value is big. That's not the case. Because in the past, stones like amethyst or chrysoprase can be really more expensive than the precious stones. So I just really don't understand this classification, and this is so wrong. Every crystal can be heat treated, or every stone can be named precious. I've seen agates which are more expensive than the mentioned precious stones. So for me, this is so wrong classification. And you know, the clear quartz is one of the most often, actually this is the stone which is the main ingredient for the crystals. Just the color make it different. The precious stones are actually various, but if this berry is not colored the same way like the ruby, or actually is corundum, it is not precious. So the quality and the color make it more precious. But this is something very wrong. So I just cannot understand this classification, and I never did understand this classification. So for me, all the stones are precious. I don't have a category, I don't have a classification. For me, all the stones can be precious and valuable. So that's my doubt about that.